We're standing all day today.
Says the man who works till 3 a.m.
As the stock market takes breaks. Not like somebody.
Our marriage isn't a fairy tale romance. Not at first. It was a family arrangement that turned into a partnership. But somehow, it grew into something real. Ryan, at your birthday next weekend, I have a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah? What is it?
That's secret. What's wrong?
It's work. It's an emergency. I have to go. I'll be back.
Oh. Drive safe.
Dr. Carter, we have a pregnant patient in critical condition. She needs immediate attention. Car accident. The patient is 4 months pregnant and experiencing massive blood loss. Currently unconscious and in critical condition.
Have you contacted the family? Yes. Get them to sign the consent form. Prep for surgery.
We should take 5 Annie. Pregnant too.
I'm fine. Plus, I need to give the patient's family an update. They must be worried sick.
Dr. Hush.
Right? Ryan? Both the patient and the baby are stable.
Hey.
You're the husband? If you don't mind just taking a look over these.
Hey, Nat. Can I come in?
How is she?
The nurse said she's stable, so. Thanks for asking.
Who is she?
Look, I couldn't tell you in front of all those people, but she was in a car accident. And I brought her in, and the hospital said it needed a family member's signature because she was in such bad condition. So
you pretended to be her husband to save her life?
Yes, but it was an emergency, and I had no other choice. And would you rather just stay there and do nothing?
Of course not. You did the right thing.
Oh, thank you. Hey, come on, it's getting late. Lift you outside?
You smoking again? Is everything all right at work?
Work?
You said you had an emergency at work.
Right. Yeah, something happened at work, but it's all figured out now. Come on, let's go home.
Annie, you're clocking out?
It's my husband's birthday today. And my mother-in-law's coming too, so I gotta get home early. By the way, how's the pregnant woman from the car accident doing?
Much better. Released, actually. Her husband just picked her up.
Her husband?
Yeah. You saw him that day. Tall guy.
Oh, Mama Beatrice, you have no idea how much I've missed us. Takes me right back home.
I didn't think you'd like it. You never used to like anything sweet.
Guess the baby's got a sweet tooth.
Just like my Ryan.
Beatrice, you made it. And I don't think we've met. Ryan, care to introduce us?
Yeah, this is Angelina. She's a old neighbor. Just came back from abroad. So
Dr. Carter, Ryan has told me so much about you. I'm Annie. Your name's Annie too? Well, Angelina, but everyone calls me Annie.
I'm sorry, Dr. Carter. I didn't mean to start without you. I get so hungry now all the time with the baby.
hey, let me get you something, huh?
Oh, don't worry. Seems you two have known each other for a while.
Look, this is my fault. Angelina flew for my birthday, and she had an accident on the way up. I didn't mean to lie. I just didn't know how to tell you in the moment. I'm very sorry.
Oh, it's no big deal. These two were always inseparable growing up. Honestly, we all thought they'd end up together.
Oh, what happened then?
Well, Annie got swept away by some guy and moved abroad after graduation. But they've always been there for each other, right? Like siblings. You understand.
Of course.
Anyways, I haven't properly thanked Dr. Carter yet. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be sitting here with my baby right now.
I was just doing my job.
Ah, bless our family. Annie's safe now and due in just a few months. When are you two going to give me some good news, huh?
Right. Ryan, you always wanted to be a father. I guess you've been distracted.
Actually, we
We're not really planning on kids at the moment.
I remember when we used to play house, you'd always say that you wanted a whole soccer team of kids.
Well, I'm sure they'll figure it out in their own time. But when your little one comes, don't you worry. I'm here to help.
Mama Beatrice.
Hey, don't let what my mom said today get to you. All right? And the good news is, with Annie here, she'll stop pressuring us to having kids.
Angelina's staying here? Ryan, what's going on between you and Angelina?
What do you mean? She's just a good friend.
Friends? She flew halfway across the world for your birthday and is 4 months pregnant. That doesn't sound like just good friends to me.
Now, you mad at me?
No.
Because if you were mad at me, I understand. I should have told you earlier that Annie would be staying with us. It's all my fault.
Ryan, what if I wanted us to move out of here?
Why we suddenly move? We're fine here.
Are we, though? I mean, we live right next door to your mom, and you're over there half the time. Plus, with Angelina here now, she can keep her company. I mean, and we're both so busy, wouldn't it make more sense to live closer to the city?
Enough, Annette. You know, why can't you be more like Annie? At least you get to take care of my mom.
Well, if she's so perfect, why don't you just marry her then?
Hey.
Ryan, I'm engaged now and I'm moving out of state. I'm sorry, but
Whatever this is, it's over.
Annie, I'll wait for you. If you change your mind.
Don't.
No way.
That's your husband, Ryan?
The guy from the other day? And so, the pregnant woman was his first love, and
He's been calling her Annie, too.
oh god.
You don't think you've been her stand-in this whole time, do you?
And the baby. Is it right? Got assholes?
No, it's not his. Okay, I checked her chart. She's 4 months in. Beatrice was in the hospital then, and Ryan was here with her this whole time, so can't be his.
Well, that's a relief. What are you planning to do?
What can I do? If they still have feelings for each other, just give them my blessing?
Hey, maybe we're overthinking this. Maybe they really are just friends.
Speak of the devil. Wait, don't answer it. Let him stew for a few days. Make him realize what he's missing. What are you doing here?
Matt, I owe you an apology. Been selfish. And I've already moved our stuff into a house in the city. And you're right. It is way more convenient than Mom's place.
Okay. I accept your apology. Angelina! What a surprise! Hello, Dr. Carter. Didn't Ryan tell you we have a class reunion and he promised to drop me off? I get so carsick, you're gonna have to sit in the back for a while. For a while? Oh, well, maybe Ryan hasn't told you, but we're moving soon, so you'll have to find your own ride from now on. Is that so, Ryan?
Annie, will be staying with us for a while.
What do you mean?
Both Mama Beatrice and Ryan agreed that her house is too far from the hospital. So to make my hospital visits easier, I'll be staying with you guys through my pregnancy and postpartum recovery.
Seems you two have already discussed this. This why you wanted to move back to the city?
No, I mean, it just makes more sense that she's closer to the hospital. And, you know, with you being a doctor, it's safer that she stays with us.
Oh, great. So what am I, her nanny?
That's not what I mean.
Then what do you mean?
Look, you're suspicious of Annie and I, right? Maybe if we're all together, you can keep an eye on us.
So this is for my sake?
Please, Dr. Carter, Ryan has already sacrificed so much for you. Why are you being so hard on him?